Morning, Madam and Sirs. My name is K. Sarita, CRT Mathematics, KGV Pedavangara, Maybar district. So, today topic is the chapter name is the data handling and subtopic is the pictograph. So, good morning, children. Good morning. How are you? Okay, fine. Okay, Nana. Yesterday, what we discussed in our data handling chapter, Nana. Okay. Yes, we are. Yesterday we discussed about the organizing data with the tally marks. Okay, all are understand the children? Okay. Now today we will discuss about the pictograph. Pictograph. Anybody knows the pictograph? Means anywhere we listened this pictograph word. Okay, yes. In our cricket matches, we observe that. Cricket matches, when we observe that, so like this following the methods. So it is the name of the player and it is the runs. Like this having. So it is also one of the pictograph like this saying. A pictograph not, it is a bar graph. So pictograph means picture formation. So we listened, first of all, we will discuss about the what is the data. In our previous class, we'll explain the definition of the data. Anybody can say the what is the definition for the data, Nana? Okay, Amma. So data means what? Information either in the form of the numbers or words which help us to we take the decision is called the data. So means what? The information either in the form of the words or the numbers we can it is help us to the we take the decision is called the data. Means yesterday we will discuss about that one. For example, today which day, Nana? Saturday. Okay. Now here observed means how many children wear the green color dress, Nana? Just raise your hands. Okay. Green color dress, how many members are wear, Nana? For example, how many members wear, Nana, here? Okay, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many students are wear the yellow color dress, Nana? How many, Nana? Just raise your hands, Nana. Okay, 10 members. Next, how many students wear the white dress? How many students, Nana? Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that is the 20 members. Okay, Nama? Okay. Now it is just to we take the one of the decision from this data. Just observe that one Nama. How many students wear the white uniform? 20. We take the one of the decision or not, Nana? Means it in our class. Which dress wear the means which color dress wear the more, Nana, here? White dress, because 20 is greater than the remaining students to observe. So white is means here it is help us to be take the decision or not, Amma? Yes, it is called the data. So today we will discuss about the pictograph. Pictograph means in our textbook one of the example is given, Nana. Just observe that. Okay, a bookshelf has books of different subjects. The number of books of each subject is represented as a pictograph given below. Observe them. Now here subject given, Amma, number of books given. First, Telugu. How many books are given, Nana, here? Count and say, Amma. 110 page, Amma. 4 members. Okay. It is just you observe this example. Anywhere we observe this. In our primary section, we observe this example. Just in mathematics, balls like this, kites given. How many balls are given? How many kites are given? Like this counting. In our nursery. Our LKG section we learn that one. Now here also we learn this one. So Telugu, how many books are given, Nana, here? 4. And in English, 3. In Hindi, 4. In maths, 6. In science, 5. In social, 4. Okay. Now here we will hear the one of the pictograph given, Nana. We observe this pictograph and answer the following questions. Now we take the decision or not here, just you say. Which books are more in number? Here given which books are more having Telugu, Hindi, English, Math, Science, Social. Which are more having means which books are more given here? Which subjects to given, Nana? In out of 6 subjects. Yes, maths. Given the 6 books are given. Very good. Next, which books are least in number? Which is least among in the out of 6 subjects, Nana? English. Very good, Nana. English out of given, Nana, here 3 given. So how many total books are there, Nana? How many totals are given here? Just count the total. All the books in the each subject wise. In Telugu 4, Nana. English 3. 4 plus 3 7. In Hindi is 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. Maths 6. 11 plus 6 is 17. And science 5 given. 17 plus 5 is 22. And the social is 4 given. 22 plus 4 is 26 given here. 26 books are given. Total how many books are given, Nana? Yes, 26 are given. Okay, it is just simply books are given. For example, here we have the more than of books. Means more than 100 books are given. So we cannot choose in the like this, kada, Nana? 100 books we can choose like this, Nana? It is impossible. Okay, it is possible, but not is we take the more time. So like this, if more than of 100 or the more than of 50 like this given means more than of 20 also nothing. So more than of 22 and above given means how can we choose the means? So we represent the some scale for that books now. For example, it is the one of the book now. Book represent the, for example, 2 books means, one book represent 2 books means, in our examples to observe, here how many books are given, Nana? Telugu to 4 given and English to 3 and Hindi to 4 given and Maths to 6 given and Science to 5 given and Social to 4 given. Here given. If for example we choose the one of the scale, just more than. If one book represent the 2 books means how many Telugu books are having, Nana, here? How many Telugu books are having here? 4 books. So each one book represent the 2 to Nama here. If 2 taking means how many books are having, Nana, here? 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. So how many Telugu books are having, Nana, here? 8 books are having. If here English, how many are given, Nana? 3. But each book represent how many books, Nana? 2. So 2, 2, 2 means 2 3s are 6. Total how many books are having, Nana? Like this. Here in Hindi, how many books are given? 4. But each book represent the 2 books. So 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. If Maths, how many books are given, Nana? 6. Each book represent the 2 books. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 means 2 6 are 12. And Science, how many books are given, Nana? 5. So 5 means, so each book is representing 2 books only, means 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. And Social, how many books are given, Nana, here? 4 books are given. So each book representing 2 books now. So 2, 2, 2 means 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. Like this we take that. If each book represent the, for example, you can say, Nana, each book represent how many, Nana? 4 or 5 or 6 or 100 or your wish. You can say the any one example I am explaining here. Okay, each book represent the, for example, 50 books means. Now, Telugu how many given, Nana, here? 4 na? So 50, 50, 50, 50. 4 50s are, Nana? Now we are right. 4 into 50. 4 50s are how much, Nana? 0, Nana. 5 4s are 20. How many Telugu books are having, Nana, here? 200. Very good, Amma. And here how many English books are given, Nana? 3 books are given. But each books represent how many books, Nana, here? 50. So 50, 50, 50. 50. 3s are 3 into 50. So 3 5s are 15, Amma. 150 books are representing. Same like that. Hindi. How many books are given, Nana, here? 4. So each one book represents the 50 books. So that's why 4 into 50. 54s are, Nana, 200. Same like that. Max. How many books are given, Nana? 6. 6 into 50. 6 50s are 6 5s are 30. 300 books. Same like that. Science. How many books are represented, Nana, here? 5 books are given. So each one book represents the 50. So 5 into 50. 55 is an 250. Next in social, how many books are given on here? 4. So each book represents the 50. So 54s are 200. Now here also we learn this number. Anybody to doubts on here? Okay. Now here you can solve some exercise problems in our textbook. Nana page number exercise 8.5 2 problems. Okay, now do the exercise problems and tomorrow we will discuss about this topic. Okay, thank you.